Hashtag GizzyCredit. Hashtag GizzyCredit. Hashtag GizzyCredit. GizzyCredit. Anything you want, then you can get it. Don't get scammed, cause then you'll regret it.
Gente, mi gente, what's good with you? Your boy GizzyCredit here, giving out another credit repair results to this customer out in New Orleans, Louisiana, who started credit repair 1 month ago. We were able to dispute her TRANSUNION online and got results. Let's check them out right now. As you can see from this email, we were able to remove 7 out of 8 negative account or collection accounts, any type of negative item. So 7 out of 8. So that means that only got a couple of more disputes left to remove that last account. We've been giving people results. It's kind of hard to give out the results and on top of that make a video like this, but I promise I'll be making more for you like I used to, like I have been since 2012. Anyways, my people, looking forward. If you're looking for another quote, send me your email address. You already know. What's good with you, my people? Your boy GizzyCredit here, giving out another credit repair results to this customer over there by the Bronx area. Anyways, let's look at her results and see what we're going to be working with. As we can see, these are another Experian, all right, removals. See right there, the negative, another 2 negative accounts removed, Midland funding, all right. So this customer has been a customer for a while. She's still getting results for the service. Listen, if you want a quote, let me know. A lot of you starting credit repair process. We're not hitting people over the head with the prices as well, so don't be shy. If you want a quote, you need your Experian username and password, and we'll review and advise. What's good, my people? Your boy GizzyCredit here, giving out another credit repair results to this customer from the Bronx. You already saw her Experian results, and now we're looking at her EQUIFAX results. Now, all these people have been people who have previously started with me, who restart the process. We already know life happens, and in today's time, you already know what it is. Anyways, let's look at her results for EQUIFAX. Okay, as we can see right here, the Discover Personal Loans has been deleted. We have another account here. Sync Walmart cart has been deleted. She has a couple of accounts that were verified, but you see right here, Midland was also deleted, as you can see right there. Listen, when you get results like this, you definitely want to party all the time, but in your house being quarantined. See you later. Mi gente, your boy GizzyCredit here, giving out another credit repair results to this customer who is a returning customer. Like many of you who start with me, you go out, you live life, you get better, new car, new house, new credit cards, the next thing you know, you go bad on them. Then you try and go to another place because you're afraid that we're gonna punish you here. But anyways, you go to another place, you don't get the same results, and then you come back. Anyways, let's review this TRANSUNION results for this customer in North Carolina and see what we got for him. And as we can see, these are the customer's credit repair results. A Mary collection, another Midline credit has been deleted from his credit file. People, shout out to everyone who restarts the process, or the new customer like you. When we dispute online, you're gonna get results by email, and then we'll be able to send them over to you. Anyways, hope you're well and hope you are quarantined. Wash your hands. Your boy GizzyCredit here. Another video for you, credit repair results for this customer out in Boca Raton, Florida. Shout out to all the rats out there. Listen, Boca Raton is supposed to be ritzy. There ain't no rats out there. Anyways, let's review this credit repair results for TRANSUNION. As you saw in the previous videos, how we dispute online and the customer gets results online as well. They send them an email that the dispute is done. We go check, we print out the results, we send it over. Let's review. Alrighty, as we can see right here, deleted, applied bank, Swiss Colony, Montgomery's, probably a mortgage, anyways, has been deleted. Shout out to all of you who started the credit repair process. I know a lot of you have been excited on starting and getting your results. Remember, this is a process where we commit to the file until everything is removed. Bendiciones. Hello my people, something different here with my daughter Pixie the cat. How are you? Anyways, let's get into the video. Customer from Indio, California, all the way in the West Coast. Thank you so much for starting credit repair with us. And you got results. Here are your EQUIFAX credit repair results. As we can see right here, addresses and all that other stuff have been deleted. So you can see right there, professional credit have been deleted from the file, deleted from the file. Yes, she does have some items that were verified as well, but still has some professional credit deleted from her credit file. As you can see right over here, she has some more school district federal credit union has been deleted. And if we go and look over here, you see right there, U.S. Department of Education have been deleted. Good for her. People, you already know. Results. Yay. What's good, my people? Your boy GizzyCredit here, back at it again with this time credit repair results. Remember, when people start with us, they can expect results by law in 30 days. But when we dispute online, they may get faster results. But still, we still have to wait 30 days to get these results. Hey, still beats sending disputes by mail, in which you're gonna have to wait to send disputes to them by mail and getting disputes back by mail as well. Let's review this customer's results. My people, as you can see, these are a screenshot for her TransUnion. We were able to remove that damn Capital One credit card. You ever have accounts that are so hard to take off that you're like, I can't take it off, I'll let someone else handle it? Well, that's this situation. Anyways, congratulations to her. TransUnion results. People, many of you have different goals you want to achieve. And in today's environment, you guys are looking to do things quickly and fast with your credit so that eventually you know that you're going to be able to save money. This customer started credit repair and that's February. We're now in April and he is now refinancing his mortgage. Let's go. As you can see right here, this is when he started, 2/18/2020. As you can see, I will also have a refinance loan inquiry for my mortgage coming in. New rates were too good to pass on. Is this person about to refinance into a better rate, but his wife also got started in removing her inquiries. So shout out to you, and yes, another credit repair results video for you. Good, my people, your boy GizzyCredit here on my Saturday night hustle. Shout out to everyone out there who is partying, quarantined, or watching movies and going through Instagram. This video is for you. And shout out to other people who are contacting me on my DMs now when they're seeing that, yes, we are taking on customers on a daily basis to help them out. Let's check out these results for this customer. Customer is in Raleigh, North Carolina. As you can see right here, 2 removals, Crescent Source, Mana, and Online Collection. Also results for TransUnion, which was the Crescent Resource Management and online information were removed from both Experian and TransUnion. You want to find out more about me? People have been watching me since 2009 on my YouTube channel. Link on my bio for my YouTube channel, and check out our weekly podcast, Mondays, 6 p.m. Good, my people, your boy GizzyCredit here with another credit repair results video for TransUnion for this customer out in Long Beach, California. Again, thank you so much for those people who start a month ago, who start 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago. Thank you so much for the people who started today. Anyways, my people, let's review this customer's TransUnion results. Alrighty, as we can see, these are the customer's credit repair results. We were able to remove his AWA collection and the Curacao as well. Los Angeles, California. Well, this is what I'm doing every weekend, showing you guys results, showing you guys how people get started in the process so that you can see we ain't no joke. We've been doing this 10 years plus. Check out my YouTube videos and the podcast every Monday, 6 p.m. Link in my bio for my YouTube channel. My people, your boy GizzyCredit here, giving out another credit repair results to this customer from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. He started back in late November, so he started December, January, February, March, 4 months, and he's still getting credit repair results. I tell you people, we commit to the file until everything is removed. Look at this. Midland Credit Management has been deleted from his credit file. Yes, from Experian and TransUnion. People all the time. These results came for Experian and TransUnion, and at the same time they were removed. Understand that each bureau has their own way of coming up with, am I going to remove this or not? But we dispute with different techniques in order to give you these results. Don't forget to log on to my YouTube channel and stay tuned for our podcast every Monday, 6 p.m. Let's go. What's good, my people? Your boy Gizzy Credit here with another credit repair results videos, because this is what we do, give people results. And this is a shout out to the people who contact me months ago, and they are referrals, and they still don't pull the trigger with us. But then when they do pull the trigger, that's when they decide to do the service with us, and we give them fast credit repair results. On top of that, you referred to us, so you kind of already gonna know how the process is gonna work out. So good for you. Let's check out these results. This customer is in Raleigh, North Carolina. We were able to remove her creditor collection and security collection in the first month of her starting the credit repair process with us. People, shout out to all you who are committing to credit repair and committing to your health. Please stay safe with this COVID-19. Your boy Gizzy Credit. Good, my people, your boy Gizzy Credit here, giving out another credit repair results to this customer who started back with us in November. All right, but during that time, a lot of you will also get another collection added to your credit report that you have no idea about, and now you need it to be worked on. Anyways, this result came back because we worked on this credit file, and in 1 hour we were able to remove it from her Experian report. And why is that? Because we disputed online. It wasn't supposed to be there, and it got disputed and off ASAP. This was the collection right here, mercantile, adjustment, all right, delete it, boom. And this was what I told the customer. Yeah, this is the new collection that just reported. It came off Experian in 1 hour because we just submitted it to remove it this morning. 1 hour. People, your boy Gizzy Credit here, giving out another credit repair quote in this coronavirus epidemic, pandemic. Listen. Be careful out there, wash your hands, wash everything, sanitize. Let's review this customer from Puerto Rico, looking for a credit repair quote. Let's review his file and see what we're going to be working with. Righty, so this is his credit scores on Experian. I can only see Experian, so I'll base my quote from what I see here. As you can see, he has 2 accounts ever late on his Experian credit report file, but more importantly, student loans. He has all these exceptional credit history payments, but they are, a lot of them, authorized users. And of course, right down here, he has some inquiries and a public record bankruptcy from 2016. My people, customers reaching out from the beautiful island of Puerto Rico. Anyways, my people, on my hustle this weekend for you.
Don't get scammed. What you need is just a change of plans. When time is money, you know, get that cash. Whatever comes, just